He hates you. He thinks you're scum. He sits at his golf courses and makes fun of you behind the curtain. His compadres, his little cuckold of billionaires and
Yeah.
oligarchs, they
Yeah.
don't even know your life. They
No.
don't care. They think that you exist to be at their service. So here's the thing. I'm not going to be nice anymore. We're in a coup. We're in the degradation, the overturning, the ripping apart, the sundering of American democracy. And I'm not going to hold anything back anymore.